Hi guys, my name is Muhammad Ahmed. Today we are going to discuss laxatives. Laxatives is a class of medicine that is used in treatment of constipation. Laxatives increase the motility of intestines, increase the frequency of bowel movement and softens the stools. The agents that can be used in constipation as laxative include stimulant laxatives, irritant laxatives, bulk laxatives, stool softeners, osmotic laxatives, lubricant laxative, and chloride channel stimulator. Stimulant laxatives include Senna and bisacodyl. Senna increase the water and electrolyte secretion in the lumen of intestine. Senna with docosate sodium docosate sulfate, which are stool softener, can be used for opioid induced constipation. Bisacodyl stimulate nerve fibers that are present in the colon, result into distension, and these drugs result into defecation within 8 to 10 hours. Bisacodyl are available in enteric coated form. They should not used with proton pump inhibitors, H2 blockers and acids because these drugs may lead to premature dissociation of bisacodyl into stomach and lead to stomach irritation and pain. Irritant laxative include castor oil. Castor oil broken down into ricinoleic acid in the gut by the hydrolysis of ester bond that is present in the castor oil. The ricinoleic acid irritates the gut and increase the peristaltic movement of intestine and lead to defecation. Its side effects are same as of bisacodyl and as same as Senna, include abdominal cramps and atonic colon. If we talk about adverse effect of castor oil, it include abdominal cramps, atonic colon if there is prolonged use. Castor oil is contraindicated in pregnancy because of increased uterine contraction. It may lead to increased contraction of uterine, therefore it is contraindicated in pregnancy. Nowadays, castor oil use as a laxative is contraindicated because of its unpalatability and increased tolerance with passage of time. Bulk laxative include methyl cellulose, baran, psyllium seed. These agents obtained from indigestible part of fruits and vegetables. These agents form gel in the large intestine, result into water retention and lead to distension of intestine, which stimulate the nerve ending of enteric nervous system and lead to peristalsis and relieve the symptom of constipation. Use these agents with caution for those patients who are immobile because it may lead to intestinal obstruction. Stool softeners include docosate sodium, docosate calcium, and docosate potassium. These agents mix fat of stool with water and lead to decreased tension of stool in the intestine and result into easy evacuation of feces during defecation and relieve the symptoms of constipation. Lubricant laxatives include mineral oil and glycerin suppositories. It is advised to take mineral oil at standing position to prevent aspiration of mineral oil and to prevent lipid pneumonia. These agents lubricate the feces and facilitate the passage of hard stool. Osmotic laxatives are of two types. Osmotic laxatives may be salts and may be sugars. If we talk about salt osmotic laxative, they include magnesium sulfate, magnesium hydroxide, sodium phosphate, and magnesium citrate. These salts are osmotically active. They increase the osmotic pressure within the lumen of intestine, pull water into lumen of intestine and result into distension. Distension stimulate the defecation and relieve the symptom of constipation. Polyethylene glycol is a solution of salt that is used as colonic lavage to prepare gut for endoscopic or radiological treatment. Sugar osmotic laxative include lactulose. Lactulose is disaccharide sugar. It is not metabolized by gastrointestinal enzyme. Lactulose degraded by colonic bacteria into lactic acid, formic acid and acetic acid. These three acids, lactic acid, formic acid and acetic acid, are osmotically active. They increase the osmotic pressure within the lumen of intestine and result into pooling of water or fluid accumulation in the intestine, which lead to distension of intestine and eventually lead to defecation, which relieve the symptom of constipation. Lubiprostone is the drug. We can say that it is chloride channel stimulator. Lubiprostone stimulate type 2 calcium channel that is present at the wall of intestine. It results into efflux of chloride ion into the lumen. When there is efflux of chloride ion into the lumen, it pulls the water into lumen and increase the secretion of fluid into the lumen. If we talk about side effects include nausea, vomiting, dyspepsia, headache एंड हाइपोटेंशन। उम्मीद है आपको बेहतरीन समझ आई होगी। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे एंटी एमेटिक ड्रग्स। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो।